Ready to close it? On my mark. Pressure's good. Closing now. Looks tight. Good alignment. Airflow looks good on these crates. Yes, keep it steady. Let's check the other side. Right? Corner solid, no cracks.
Good. Check the grid alignment.
All compartments are even. Apply steady pressure. It's holding. Release slowly. Apply steady pressure. It's holding. Release slowly. Ready? Let's test it. Ready. On 3. Okay, lower it in. Looks solid. Keep it steady. We're almost done.
Right. The surface is getting smoother.
Good. One last pass. Loading the wet crates now. These are drying well. Almost ready. Good. Next batch.
All right, starting the visual check. No cracks on the sides. Clear. Moving on.
Line's running smooth today. Yeah, no jams. Keep it steady. Will do. Dimensions and seals are good. Final check complete. Approved. Let's check the base thickness. Okay, got the caliper ready. Reading is 2.5 centimeters. Noted. Let's check the ventilation holes. Okay, lifting it now. Pattern looks consistent. Good to go. Let's get the last of this dust off. Right, starting on this side. Good, almost done. Stacking this one. Careful with the edge. Got it. Next one's ready. Okay, let's get this one wrapped. Got it. Turning it now. All red crates are stacked and ready. Good. Let's move this last one into position. This section is clear. We're set.